For this week's Kareem's Quest, I'm heading to a creative treehouse in Westmoreland. It has a beautiful view and balcony for relaxation, and it's part of a larger property where you can do camping outside. Or you can choose to stay in a traditional house. All this was created by Oral, a creative Rastaman who was born in the parish and built all this by hand. I'm also going to be learning the secret to making one of Jamaica's most favorite cultural dishes, esco fish, along with roast breadfruit and saltfish.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. It's always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
My journey to Westmoreland started late in the night, and as usual, I'm carrying a lot of luggage with food and shooting equipment. The first place I went was the kitchen, where I started to unpack. After that, I found the kettle, made some tea, then I went to my bedroom, got settled in, and took a nap. We are going to the Treehouse, right?
Yeah, man.
Now you have to build a bridge to get to the Treehouse. Why so?
Because it's I make it that anybody can approach the bridge. Because if I did make like a staircase, it would be harder for old people or for everybody to climb this step up. So I decided to make a bridge where it's comfortable. You can just walk along and it's more comfortable.
How
for
long
everybody.
did it take to make a bridge like this?
This will take about a month or two, you know. It's just me alone do it, you know, every stick and have to fix it, you know, for it can work.
Okay.
It's a little bit shaky, but it never break. Make a little sound, but for you to find the balance, you know, it's like a turkey bridge.
Alright.
Yeah, because we have metal lie under it, so it's not just stick the board, them you see, it's metal hold up the whole thing, you know.
Okay then.
Yeah, man.
And it has this nice moringa tree.
Yes, for everything, the moringa.
Like what so?
You know, you can use the leaf, you can use the pad, you can use the seeds. Yeah, man, it's good for cleaning, and for billing.
So come off breakdown to people though. So the seeds you can actually just eat and it give you a burst of energy.
Yeah, man, you can take 3 seeds like a pill every morning. You can drink 3 seeds.
Okay.
And you don't have to eat no food, you just make you drink water.
Yes, true, because it's very sweet as well. And then what else can it purpose it serve?
And then the leaf is for you can boil for tea. Yeah, and the flowers is also for the smoothie. You can even pick the flowers and just eat. It's good, good also.
So what's the purpose of the flower?
It's the same vitamin C you get from everything and protein. It's vitamin C and protein and iron.
Okay, all right.
So even this one is good too. The pad, the bark. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, but you have to like scrape it,
You
right?
have to grate it. Yeah, good for spice and also good for tea.
Wait, that's so hold on there. This is so cute, right?
Yeah,
so,
man. That's from pimento.
That's pimento
from
tree.
The garden.
All right, look at it. Let's also show. I'm going to show you how he has personalized this, humanized this by putting on the face to it, right? You put the face on the fingers.
Yes. And like you have on a suit, like a
That's it. So who likes to go into this treehouse now?
For real.
Who goes into this treehouse?
Different type of people. They find it very attractive.
Yes.
Even the bird and everybody find it.
So where you go shower though?
You go shower. Them use the same outside shower.
Oh, okay. Let me say. So you see when you come here, so this is like a European thing though. Europeans probably love this more than.
For real.
Yeah, that's it.
Every time to come, we can install a shower high up here and thing. And you have a little sink. Yeah. And you have a place that you can use the toilet.
Yeah.
I think the greatest thing, you have a toilet that you don't have to go outside in the night.
True.
Yeah, you can shower.
Yes, because I don't know if I want to wake up and walk
all the way. But you can walk in idea if you go a shower.
Yes,
when you come in
true.
and shower, and then you have a place where
and
you
you're really with nature right here.
Ease yourself, you know.
Yeah, you're really with nature right here.
And I make it flexible where you get a little swing. Because it helps you to give you balance, and it's like a turpy thing. So I don't make it firm for it to solid like a piece of rock. It fit the wave with the, you know what I say?
Yeah. Come here. Let me see.
And
so now
the bed. Yeah, you have a little closet, open closet. You can see.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah.
All right. And on the outside now.
And here you have a balcony where you can sit out and watch the sea.
So on the balcony, right?
Yeah, man.
So and you also have a little seat. on your balcony.
Yes, because a couple can be here. One can be in the hammock and one can sit in on the seat and have a little chat, have a drink and
this is
get the breeze.
relaxing.
Always cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can sit here and
just to see all of this is so relaxing. Like when I can look at the sea and look at the different hue of colors that are there, and there are so many birds that are flying around. Like even them call like you have like some birds like they always have to be a couple.
Yes, the doves.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have different type of doves. Right now I have the one that they shoot in the season. He's just up in here having babies.
Oh really?
Yeah, man, and the lapwing is in the coconut tree. Yeah.
Oh wow, so a lot of birds are here.
Lots of birds are here. They come every morning. The rooster come, the cat come. Yeah, man, catch the lizard because there's a lot of lizard because it's natural, you know.
So if you're afraid of lizard, and bother with this right, yes, all right? You have to know it, and I mean, if some people afraid of heights, you have to also careful.
Some morning when the fruit tree is in season, like the custard apple, this is the custard apple tree, you can get a breakfast from right here. You can get a fresh custard apple from right here, you know. Yeah, man, in the season.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
All right, so this is really a nice place in terms of a tree house. And when people stay here, like how long do they stay for, on average?
For weeks, you know.
Really?
I'm here.
See, that's some says a European thing, because North Americans just go to any place for like 4 days. You get where I come from, but Europeans really want to immerse themselves in the culture.
Yes. They come for 3 weeks, 2 weeks,
so if
1 week.
If you want that first-hand cultural experience,
you hardly book for one night, you know.
Yeah, right, exactly. Yeah, you kind of book for a longer period. So this is kind of setting for that.
Yes.
After that tour of Oral's Treehouse, I'm heading out for a long road trip. But first, I had to take a shower. To my surprise, the inside water pressure was low, so I decided to do things the old-time way using the outside shower. It brought me back to a simpler state of living before life got so complicated.
So this is when you go back to being one with nature. And I mean, ideally, I think this is when you go to the beach and use it, but there's one inside shower alone, so I have to make best use of this one.
I wanted to learn a little bit about how to cook Jamaica's famous esco beach fish, so I journeyed across 2 parishes to visit Chef Maurice, who started doing his meal prep long in advance. And given the humidity of the day, where better to do our cooking than by the beach? Now I'm here on the beach with Maurice. Maurice, want to start with the fish then first?
Yeah, man, I fried fish, breadfruit, I fry, and we're going to fry up with fish now.
We have a breadfruit already?
Yeah, breadfruit and
start up with the fish.
Yeah, so we have some nice red snapper here. Red snapper, nicely seasoned, some salt and pepper, you know, and nicely done. So we're ready for
You're a man, you like say you prefer when you marinate the thing?
Yeah, man, marinate the thing before.
So how long, when you season your fish, how long do you let it marinate?
I make the fish soak it up quite quickly, so we don't make it too long. So we can do this probably an hour, 2 hours before. Just to get the salt going there so you get nice flavor when you do it. And what you notice me do, I put some scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme in the oil to flavor the oil, so that gives a little bit of flavor there already.
Okay.
For soak up in
scotch
the
bonnet
fish.
pepper and thyme in the oil?
In the oil.
Alright.
And I would make the oil smoky because I want fish nice and crispy. Original escovitch I make, original. From them days, back in idea.
So the pan have to be smoky?
Smoky, so that they're not sticking at the pan and then get that nice crispness on the skin. One of the key things,
you might give one of the tip them.
Yeah, one of the key things too, don't overload your pan. Give them space to fry so that the oil not cool down too much. So you hear them already are crisp up. And that's
the camera person. Come and look when he say don't overload the pan.
So them have good space, man, and them are fry. Already you can see it a crisp up. And that's what you want. Nice
How
crisp.
long does it take to fry like this?
The snapper here, we're gonna give them a nice 5 minutes on each side. Because you don't really want to overcook your fish. No fish at all, no seafood you don't overcook.
Okay.
More you overcook a tough, you get them tough up. So we are going to roll in at that.
Alright, nice. Alright, so now the fish them go on frying.
Yeah, man.
We're going to turn the breadfruit.
Yeah, breadfruit are go on proper. See?
And people don't believe someone can't turn breadfruit. It's just that Maurice the man will make sure someone do his thing.
Yeah,
matter of fact, I turn the breadfruit as well.
Yeah, I'm going right back on the fish them now, because fish ready, you know, nice and crispy on one side.
Good.
Oh, you don't want it no better than that. That look good.
So it have a little golden look to
Yeah,
it.
man, nice golden brown, beautiful, man.
Yeah. And you do the same for both sides.
Yeah.
And then fish ready.
Maurice, if you're trying to avoid the fish sticking onto the pan, right? How do you avoid that?
Alright, so one of the key things is to make sure so your oil extremely hot. Smoky hot, that's what we call it. Smoky hot, that will help. And if you're in a position of a pan, one of them non-stick type of pan that work too, that help too. Okay. But the key, because most of us not gonna have that. So the key to it is ensure say the pot smoky hot and you don't put too much in it so it cool down the oil. So what really cause it to stick most time when the oil too cool, so it sit down, you know, fry instantly. It sit down. You want your meat start fry instantly so that you don't have time to stick up there.
Okay then.
And a perfect example.
How did you start in terms of learning how to cook?
My cooking comes way back from home days, you know, because
Which country you grew?
Right in Awuchie, just outside Awuchie, a little town called Artisan town. And my cooking come because I go to shift school. So in the shift school system, you get home by 12 o'clock when you're on the morning shift. And I could not rather like to sit around and wait for dinner at 6:30 when mommy come from work. So I decide to, boy, I want to learn how to do this thing. So I ask her and I say, what I can do to make the cooking easier? So every day she would tell me what to start. Till eventually I start cook the dinner. And you know, you grow a passion, grew up in here with that, and I move out of high school and went to Runaway Heart Academy, which give thanks to them. You know, we get the base. And we move on from this. And from there we in the hotel industry and it's just growth, you know.
Good. Nice.
Continuous culinary growth, you know.
Nice. Along with us frying fish, we're going to roast some saltfish. Come in, Maurice. We already have the breadfruit on the fire. We utilize it the best way possible.
I have a nice black, so I go drop in the saltfish.
And Maurice, you do something that I always like as well. You take off you make sure you soak it.
Yeah man, soak it out man. So you want to get out some of that salt and get it ready to cook.
Yeah, because I don't like, as much as I love my Jamaican vendors them, I don't like when they are roasting saltfish and you just can't taste
block
the
of salt.
Yeah,
you
can
block
taste the block of salt.
Yeah.
No.
So we kind of move on. We don't want that.
What type of tips would you give somebody to roasting saltfish?
Yeah, roasted saltfish, this is an old tradition too. And what we say, you soak it out. Soak out some of that salt very nice. So I talk about you soak for 4.
Especially for the cholesterol level too.
Yeah,
right?
4 to 6 hours and you get out some of that salt. And then after that, you put him on and you get him roast. When you roast it down, we're going to clean it up. And some people will serve it just like that, but what we're going to do, we'll simmer ours, just cook it down a little bit in some coconut oil with some tomatoes, onion and pepper. And just toss that up a little bit in some good Jamaican coconut oil.
How you know when it finish roast?
Basically we just get a charred pan it, so you know go, because you know not much of the saltfish to cook out again. So we just get some nice charred pan it. And the fire nice and strong, you see it already? Yeah, look good. So we just get some more char pan it and then we that. Alright, cool. Alright, now go ahead now. We'll get ready with the saltfish. We'll roast off the saltfish and we'll create a nice little sauce for eat with the breadfruit.
So you add that difference to it with your saltfish? You want
yeah man,
create
get
a
a little roast. Yeah, so we'll make a nice little. So that has some good coconut oil. Good grandma coconut oil.
You have been a chef in the tourism industry for years. What do tourists love the most when they come to Jamaica?
The traveling public right now, I do a thing called research, you know. So what them do, I research a lot of the stuff, a lot of things that we eat here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And then them come, them ask, so them step in at the lobby here, them ask about patty, them ask about the good curry goat, alright? Alongside the jerk, you know, them always are going to talk about the jerk, but them ask about them stuff there. And you find, say, a lot of people now are getting to the whole traveling and eating native, what the natives eat. So them want to find what the natives eat. So a lot of that are going on.
Okay then.
So we are saute here some veg here.
Yeah.
All our good vegetable them.
And what about the locals? Wow. What about the locals?
Oh, locals now. Them running, them come for them good curry goat too.
Yeah.
And them know we have them know a good curry goat about and that them want to eat. Them esco beach fish.
Yeah, locals seem to like that.
Yeah man, them esco beach fish. And not left for them ackee and saltfish, you know.
Yeah.
But on the day them want them ackee and saltfish.
What about you personally? When you drive about as a chef, what are some of the things that you are looking for in terms of to eat on the street?
Everywhere me driving at Jamaica, I look for a good manish water. Anybody who know me, knows me is a manish water, man. I love that.
Yeah?
I love my manish water. I love my curry goat.
Is there a spot where you think of the best?
I think you can get a nice, good manish water anywhere the little party them there. A good sound string up, rubber dub music, and you get your good manish water.
So before COVID, you used to always drive around and look for the little
Yeah,
community.
man, I look for anywhere, any community party, man. Any community party, me apart, me stop and ask what kind of soup. And that kick it off for me, and then we just go on with that. Add a little bit of black pepper in this, you know, we eat with black pepper. And we did have some country pepper, I put a little bit more of my country in there.
Please, not a lot of country pepper for me here.
Alright, so we'll slow it down, we'll just tone it down. There's something to keep some flavor there. Alright.
And what else you recommend people add?
Yeah, basically this is it, you know.
Yeah.
And this good with your breadfruit now.
Yeah.
You don't want nothing more. They're quite nice and pretty, colourful. Say all kind of colours, I say all kind of things tonight, man.
Nice.
Health and wealth, you know.
Good.
At the same go, what we are going to do is create the esco beach now.
Maurice, everything look nice.
Yeah.
Alright, this is one of the beautiful things with us at Jamaica, because we can come together, we can find some fruit and put some money together and find some different food items and run a little boat, as we would say.
Yeah.
It's great sharing, it's great learning a lot of things. And is there anything that you'd want to tell persons in terms of when they're preparing their Jamaican cuisine?
Just think it through. One of the key things is think through what you're going to do, so it not take you forever. Because a lot of people shy away from cooking because them say it take long and it take up a whole heap of time. But just think it through, get yourself together and have all your ingredients ready. And just go ahead and cook. I want more people to start up them little cooking, man. Get out of the cook shops.
Yeah.
After having that scrumptious meal, it was back to Oral's villa, where he continued to show me many of the furniture and fixtures he made.
Oral, what you call that one, you know? What a villa name or the Airbnb name?
It's same Oral Villa. It's
Alright.
just a join
Okay then.
to the same Oral Villa.
God dog that?
Yeah, man, and him secure all the people, him walk them to the beach and make sure say them alright and walk them back.
Okay then.
Lucky.
Lucky.
Yeah, man.
Alright, lucky tired you know though.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so let's talk about like even some of these carvings. Are you to them?
Yeah, man, I mean, do all of them.
Mhm.
Them just beginning now and they need to take another step, go to another level.
So what you going to have to do now? Shave it and do something else with it?
Yeah, we're gonna put legs on this one. Like this one gonna be like a peacock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna put legs on it and the head on it and you know the wings.
Okay then. Alright.
Yeah, man.
And it's the same thing for this and this?
Yeah, man, it's the same thing. This is originally like a table. Gonna put a piece of glass on it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a sculpture with some fish, and you can see this is like a fish already.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna put eyes.
And this is driftwood?
Yeah, this is driftwood. When
Okay.
me add to me give my touch.
Where you get from the beach?
Yeah. And this is the sea grape. This is the sea grape. It's gonna be a rooster.
Oh, it's going to be a rooster.
You can see the farm already. Me gonna add my thing like put beak and the legs. To
When you finish this, right, are you going to sell it or are you just going to keep it here?
Yeah, eventually it's selling now. The owner just come for it naturally. Yeah, like you would all see it and say, me like that one, you know, you sell it.
Mm-hmm.
And me don't say, yeah, man. And you say, how much you want for it? And me don't say,
You know?
you know, say my price and then we negotiate.
Okay.
You see all the fish mirror from the mahogany.
Okay.
It's a mahogany from Europe.
Oh, really? So what's mahogany? Is that type of wood?
Yeah, it's like a mahogany. They
Oh.
have the mahogany and they have the mahogany.
So what's the difference in terms of quality of the mahogany and the mahogany?
Well, this is a little bit more soft.
Oh, it's more soft.
Yeah, and the mahogany now it's red. It have like a orange red.
Okay.
And the cedar it have like a mahogany red, the cedar.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for the distinguishing this.
For real.
This is basically a wrap around terrace.
Yes.
How long did you take to make this terrace?
Well, it's like a couple of months, you know,
Mm-hmm.
to make the terrace around.
Some people say board or concrete. For you, what is it?
Board for me.
Really?
Yeah, the board is better for the health. It give you a longer lifespan.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, because it's breathe with you.
Mm-hmm.
The concrete just lock you up and you don't get to breathe. You have to supply yourself with air. So it's much more healthier with the board house.
Ah, okay. Now I'm looking at the floor and I'm seeing calabash.
Yeah, the calabash, I store them for lamp.
Mm-hmm.
And I make utensils also from
Let me see
them.
it. You can.
Yeah.
Let me see one. So why do they have this dark color though?
It's because I don't clean them from they were picked from the tree.
Mm-hmm.
So when they're draining now, so the stuff that draining back from the inside,
Mm-hmm.
it's
What's the toffee shaking inside?
It's the seeds.
Oh, can anything be done with the seeds?
Yeah, you can plant them, and it's good for cancer too.
How so?
Yeah, you parch them, you
Yeah.
break them out and parch them,
Mm-hmm.
make a tea from them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's also toxic when it's very young.
Mm-hmm.
If the kid eat it or something eat it, then it's poison. It's when it's reach ripe, then you can use it for medicine.
Ah.
Yeah.
No, I noticed that you can sit down right here so and look straight out to the sea. Good. So do your guests just do that on a regular basis?
Yeah, man. It's like a meditation.
Mm.
It's like a tranquility when you can sit on your balcony and still see the sea. Yeah, man. And then you're just 5 minutes from the sea. You can take 5 minutes walk and you're right on the beach.
Wow.
On Fisherman Beach.
Oh,
In
nice.
Belmont.
Okay, then. So when people are here, you recommend them going to that. They have to go to that Fisherman Beach, right?
Yeah, man. They walk down for their swim.
Mm-hmm.
Lucky walk with them and they walk up back. Or I pick them up too. If they call me, I can pick them up and take them back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What about the shell now? Where do the shell? You leave it as this?
Yeah, it's just a meditation. It's like a therapy thing for see if you're so close to the sea and you can see a couple shell put down. I buy them from the fisherman.
What is dropping out of it though?
It's just sand.
Oh, it's sand?
Yeah, it's sand. Okay. Or maybe a lizard go lay egg in it, but it look like a sand.
Okay, look, it look like an egg to me still. Those are shells.
Yeah, I see shell, man.
So
the sand in there will dry up in there.
okay, all right. So you see, you're really here with nature when you're at this place now. Talk to me about your chair them too, because you were the one that made these chairs.
Yeah, man. All of
Sit
my
down
chair
there,
them make them.
Sit down them and feel
from
it.
cedar.
Like from cedar.
Yes.
So are you going to put
all of my furniture them are from cedar. They just need to polish. They need to sand and polish. Like this one need to put a piece of glass on top so you can still see, and then we're gonna put color in the little cracks. We're gonna put different like Turkish and red coral. Yeah, man. You can see a little young shark up on this.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah, man. See dolphin hash tree, I make it too. See it on the tabletop like this. You can see it is a hash tray.
All right.
You see it's from a dolphin. I make it from scratch too, you know.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man.
Kareem's Quest.
Welcome back to Kareem's Quest. Now, one of the reasons I chose this simplistic property to review is because I wanted to get back to the most basic things, like taking a shower outside. Sleeping in a house that is fully made from wood.
So, and those sunflowers is from Jerry. And I make my own.
Or looking in the stars while I'm camping, with only one caveat.
Now the only thing I don't like with camping and when you have tents, as soon as the sun come up, you have to wake up. Oral, for this cabin, how many rooms are we looking at?
It's 2 bedroom. This now that you're walking in is the master bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
And of course, as I say, have your mesh.
For the mosquito, in the Caribbean, you got to have a mosquito net sometimes. Sometimes when the rain fall, and just come from the mangoes around and spoil up the evening. So you have to have a net.
You also have where you can store up your clothes and everything like that.
Yeah, man. We have a closet too. Where you can put your clothes and put your suitcase even down and shoes.
I'm gonna put some stuff in there already.
And I make it from scratch.
Okay. What you use make this one?
This is cedar.
Okay then, all right. And for the painting, having this external paint job, how often do you have to paint it because of the sun and burnout?
The inside.
No, the outside.
The outside? You have to paint it like every 5 years you have to paint it.
Oh, that's a long time. All right. So you put your fun in there, so?
Yeah.
And you make, what about this? This need to finish up to, don't
Yeah,
it?
Man, this need to polish too. It's from mahogany also.
It's from mahogany?
Yeah, man.
All right, so.
And those sunflowers is from Jerry. And I make my own.
I remember Jerry showing us them, yes.
Yeah,
when you screw them, we have like 3 screws, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, so let's take a quick look at the bathroom
You
then.
have the toilet and the bathroom. Right? You have
Okay,
an
so
inside
yeah.
shower.
So you have the inside shower.
Yeah.
So here it is right there, so. And you have your inside shower for this. Okay. All right, nice inside shower too. And you put your tile lamp on the wall for that one here. Yes, man, you set up that one here. Nice. Right? All right, so let us go now to the other bedroom and see what the other bedroom look like.
For real. And then you share the kitchen with the other person. So here you come to the kitchen. And you can share the
so you
kitchen.
have like a, okay.
Like an open kitchen for the 2 bedroom. Yeah.
See, so last night when I arrived here, right, I put up one of these planting, courtesy of Oral. So I put in the fridge because I want fry the green plantain. Good. And then you get some stuff from off the property too.
Like
right?
pepper.
So I say, but where you have turmeric?
We have turmeric over there, so I have a root of turmeric.
Really?
Yeah.
What you said to me?
I have it up at the other place now.
You have it up another
Up
place?
at the other place.
So we have to take some turmeric because it's very good for the joints.
Some of those.
Right? It's very good for the joints, right? All right then. And so you have your fridge stored up. And I like the fact that you keep the place white. And one of the things I noticed that with the elevated ceiling, it makes sense.
Yes.
Because it keeps the place cooler. Because sometimes when the sun beats that beat.
And you see, even when you're cooking, you have an ocean view.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah, even when you're washing dishes, when you're cooking.
Ah,
Yeah,
so if you stand from the
man,
sink
see,
there, so
you can
come,
see,
okay.
You can see ocean view.
Yeah,
Everything you do.
yeah, right, you can see the ocean right there.
For real.
Oral, I'm gonna make a suggestion though. You need to put a dinner table right here, so.
Yeah, man, I have it, man.
You have it?
You have it. That's when the paint, I take it out. I have a table here.
Okay, good, because we want to see the dinner table right there, so. And what about your drum?
Yeah, man, you know, a meditation. Play my drum every other day, I play my drum.
Every other day?
Yeah.
This is a djembe?
Yeah.
This is a djembe drum? Ah, right, so every other day you play your drum?
Yeah, man, it's a meditation.
So,
Keep my wrist too and everything and the heartbeat and the flow, you know.
so when you come to a place like this, who you recommend it for then?
For everybody who need, you know, a little
Healing?
Yeah, I need healing.
All right, come here, we'll look at it.
It's like a back home.
Okay, I
thing,
know.
you know?
Now I'll go through the bathroom.
In natural.
Yes. We'll go through the bathroom.
To go to the other room.
Okay, so this is reminiscent to me of the old time country house.
Yes.
Like that's how the bathroom would have look, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, so this is the other room.
And this is the other bedroom. That you can also approach from the front.
Yeah,
Now
we soon look on that. We soon look on it. Yeah. So okay, so this is a what? Same size bed though?
Yeah, this is the same size bed around, like what around there.
Okay.
Queen size. It's a queen size.
Queen size bed.
Yeah.
And listen.
Just the regular queen size.
And I love the fact that again you have your mosquito canopy.
Yeah.
So that makes sense, and you have a two nice night table. So you put on your stuff. And when you're here, can you get internet?
Yeah.
You have internet?
I have my friend there, we share internet. If my guests want to hook up, so we share internet. Soon we're gonna get my own thing, but I want to get the Starbucks for myself.
Okay. Yeah. So you want to the internet different, and this is so lovely.
And that's from the sea fan.
Wait, from the sea what?
Sea fan from the sea that give oxygen to the sea.
Really?
Yeah, man, the sea fan. Man,
so see, this is actually something natural, you know.
Yeah.
This is not something
and then
that.
I put some paper. You see, it's paper. I cut.
Yeah, put paper on it. But this itself gives oxygen to the sea. Wow, and they say a lot of these things mimic like the function of the body, so the lungs and everything are the blood veins and so forth like that. Like you'd see those things there. And go ahead.
And you also have a closet too.
Right.
Here in this.
And you have your outlet.
Yeah. This is the front door where you can approach your room.
Alright, so come and show them so you can exit from the front door.
Yeah.
Okay, you kind of sophisticated up with this sliding.
Yeah, it's slide window with mesh, mosquito mesh.
With mosquito mesh too?
Yes.
Yo, come and show them how the outside look. Alright. So this is the outside. Come in the oral, move for it from the camera, so Richard.
I move it, man.
So see it right there, so there.
Yeah, man.
So this is your sliding mesh right here, so.
Yeah, so this you have mosquito mesh on the sliding window where you can open and still breed,
Mm-hmm.
and the mosquito don't come in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then even for the thing, I noticed you have motion lights.
Yes, I have
Cause lucky they
I
run
have
up.
solar light, so I can save a little thing too, and
Yeah.
it's more comfortable for the eye and everything too, you know,
All
with the
right.
solar light. And there I have an outside shower too.
Oh, you have also come and look on the outside
where
shower.
you share, you can share when you come from the beach. You can also wash off before you get the sun in the house. And
all right, come here, come and look on it now. Come now, come now.
you see, I recycle like a tank to make the walls. And on the floor, I pour concrete and put a little tiles in. Yeah, it's just a little bit with toothpaste on the floor.
Okay, then. So if you want to clean off yourself, that's basically what you do.
Yes.
And now the final thing, come and show them the tent. So if people don't want to sleep inside, them can come sleep
man,
out.
I have the musician Bridget who passed through and he can just pitch in tent.
Yes?
I have about three different tent spots where campers come and push their tent sometime.
Okay. Any doorbell we need for ring?
No.
No?
Them gone out.
Alright, that's just something. Where the zipper is for that one, you know?
I just think I just steer it in.
No, see the zipper there. Zipper down at the bottom of the base. There you go. Now the only thing I don't like with camping and when you have tents, as soon as the sun come up, you have to wake up.
See, it's comfortable.
Yeah. So see? Some people love to be at one with nature. And them love to just sit down, you know, and relax, and you know, at night time them also can relax.
And so sleep better down here with the nature.
Yeah, some people say them really prefer the nature.
Oral's creativity never ceases to amaze me as he explained his next project.
Yeah, man, so that's a new cabin, gonna be the boat cabin. Yeah, it's high up.
Being a Rastaman, he also believes in a holistic life, which involves getting remedies from various trees and plants.
Because the people who come here, I use the herbs. I give them special herbs.
Yeah. Really?
And that's the figurehood.
Okay.
It's also good for prostate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's that? That's good for cleansing the blood?
And for the breathing system and the coal and for the coal.
So now I'm going into his backyard to find out more about what nature has to offer.
Yeah, man, so that's a new cabin, gonna be the boat cabin. Yeah, it's high up.
Yeah.
You see the balcony already look like a boat. When it's finished up, we're also gonna share it as a ranch for the people here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And I want to show you the garden because the people who come here, I use the herbs. I give them special herbs.
Really?
Yeah. This is also like a spice. Yeah, that you can cook with the steamed fish.
What is it called?
You can make tea. It's called Chinese thyme.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's it good for?
It's good for all kind of things, for the belly pain and for the colon. And this is the blue vervain. It's good for many purposes.
Okay.
Yeah, for cleaning the blood. And also for the lungs.
Ah.
And as you can see, I have pumpkin and melon. Yeah.
What is this? This looks so beautiful.
Yeah, this is, I don't remember the name of it, but it's the flowers. You have two different colors. You can see the burgundy over there, and this is the yellow one.
Ah, gotcha.
I don't remember the name. And this is the grenade apple. You can see its flowers is getting ready to bear fruit. The grenade apple. Yeah.
Ah, yes. We call it panganut.
Yeah, panganut.
But yeah, it's pomegranate or something like that.
And this is the pancetta.
Oh, really?
It's also good for tea. It's a small flowers version of the pancetta.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
And you can see I have a little herbs here. Yeah. Yesterday I was also reaping merengue. I tell you a little bit about the merengue. You can use the pad, you can use the bark, you can use the
Come and
seeds.
show them. I'll show them everything now. And this is a good Jamaican sensei.
Yeah, man, this is a good Jamaican ganja.
So this is what the moringa comes from. And luckily, while we were talking, I was actually picking off and showing you this is what the seed, and this is edible. The seed of the moringa. All right? And this is edible.
Yeah, man.
Good?
Everything. And this is the soursop is also good for the tea also.
Calming the nerves?
Yeah. And that's the figurehood.
Okay.
It's also good for prostate.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The leaves.
And this is, I would presume, this is something that you'd have to boil this?
Yeah, you have to boil it in tea and drink it.
So how much you know? Or you know how much leaves you must do?
Yeah, you just do 3 leaves or 4 leaves.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You know, man, it can give you a balance, man.
Oh, really?
All herbs, you can use 3 or 4 leaves. But you have to make it dry first. And before you boil it.
Ah, there you go.
You have to make it dry.
So you were telling me about one to clean your blood. What's that one?
One thing is the vervain.
Where is that?
The vervain, we have it up here too with the Chinatown, but it's up in our bushes. You can see where it flowers.
Okay, come.
This is the blue vervain.
The blue vervain?
Yeah. You can see it have the...
So how, yeah, but that one though, you have to take 3 leaves off of that?
Yeah. It's like this. This is a cup of tea.
So a cup of tea?
Yeah, man, or 2 cup of tea.
Oh, everything?
Yeah,
so man. You dry everything?
You just dry everything.
And what's that? That's good for cleansing the blood?
Yeah, cleansing the blood. And for the breathing system and the coal and for the coal. Because it clean everything, you know.
All right.
You can check it up too, man, online. It's online too.
All right.
Yeah, man, and this are the Chinatown said way. See it rich over here.
Oh, this are the bigger, yes, yeah. Much bigger over there, so right?
Yeah, man.
All right. So we have...
And over here we have a little bit of the turmeric.
Yes, you were telling me, where is it?
It's one little piece of the turmeric over there, so. It look almost like this. See it over there?
Yes.
Yeah. Over there is turmeric. It's just the Chinatown cover it up.
Okay then. And so with that now, that is perfect now in terms of, you know, just joint pains and them stuff there.
Yeah, man.
How would you recommend consuming the turmeric?
The turmeric, you're great at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can cook it in your fish. You can make a tea from it.
Okay.
And you can make it with other things too. You can add lemon to it. You can add garlic to it. It's good for the colon and for the immune system.
All right.
Boosts the immune system. You can use it with ginger. Yeah, man. And over there, this is the mountain sap. It's like a sour sap.
Yes, I've seen it before.
Yeah.
Same kind of nutritional purposes?
Yeah. It's good for tea. And the sap is good for juice.
Okay.
It's for the man. Stamina fruit. And over here in my little storeroom, you can see, as you can see, I'm drying merengue leaf.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And the seeds is over there in the barrel. And some of the full pads.
Yes.
Yeah. So I
So you see, people, for the seed, so if you look in there, so you can see the seed, right? And then when you take off the shell for the seed, this is what the actual seed looks like when you take off the shell. And this is very consumable. I mean, it gives you a burst of sugar, to be frank. Very, very sweet, don't it?
Even the leaf, the green. Yeah, when you dry it and then you put it in powder, it's good for the smoothie.
Really?
Yeah, man, it's good. It's the best smoothie, man, like a spinach. You remember you have to dry it? So when you catch all the leaf, then you take out all the stem them from the leaf and get all the leaf, then now and then we dry it. And then you can just rub it in powder. Or you can beat it in the mortar and you get powder from it. Yeah, man.
Okay. All right. Very good.
And the fruits now, I plant the fruit tree for people to have breakfast in the morning because I make this thing called the power in the blender. So you get 3, 4 cherry, you get a piece of sour sap, you get a little piece of green apple, you know, you get 2 leaf of merengue and 2 seed, and then you make like a thing in the morning, like a power. You can put a little herbs, buds in a hit, piece of custard apple. So that like a power in the morning for breakfast.
Okay.
Because the people who stay here, I prepare breakfast for them. So it's like a healing and rooms and everything. It's like a therapy.
Therapy.
Yeah.
All right.
And you get to see the artist work also.
True.
Yeah. Over there you can see the grapevine over there. And I have coconut. Yeah. I have the sea grape. And you have fruits on it, you know. You have a sugar cane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was another nice quest as usual. I mean, I try to always give you a balance between, you know, just upscale places, down-to-earth places, rustic places, Jamaican-owned places. This is a place that is not just Jamaican-owned, but Jamaican-built. Built by Oral himself, all right? So, you know what I mean? Just getting to see the different cabin and the tree house and, the environment in terms of the beach that is close by and the food spots that are close by. You know, it really gives that community tourism feel. It also gives an authentic Jamaican feel. So you must always figure out, you know, what works best for you. I always try to give you as many options as possible. And if you go to my website, kareemsquest.com, and you view all these different articles, I have a little quick breakdown where I'll tell you, you know, what to look out for, what stands out, what are some of the tips, and who is it best for and what it is not. All right, because it's about experiencing a country and experiencing a country in an authentic manner. You understand? So this is another authentic experience with Oral. Oral, yeah, make sure say give them like on the nature tour and the herbal tour.
Everything, man. Yeah, man.
Real thing that.
They tell me I'm like a doctor. They tell me I don't know who I am because I'm more than 3D.
See that?
Instead the regular artist just take you to 3D, but me give more than 3D.
3D,
Me
true.
give you art, me give you room, me
True.
give you the medicine. You see, you close to the sea. You know, me I say, me can, you know, me there for you. Me tour you, said we take you to the next artist, to beautiful scene close by, and yeah, pick you up at the airport.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Makes sense.
So it's a full package, but it's just natural.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So listen, another great Kareem's Quest, and as usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.
Give thanks, Mr. Quest.